So now I want to create an assembly bump. First, I search on items. Now I choose an item without an assembly bump. Could be the city bike. I go to replenishment. Under manufacturing policy, I decide if I want to have assembly to order or assembly to stock. I choose assembly to order. Under assembly bump, I click to order a new assembly bump. I click new. I fill in type, choose item, what items I need to create my assembly bump. It could be a front wheel, quantity per 1, and unit of measure code. And here we choose pieces. You choose item again. Could be a spoke, or we need 1, and you want it in pieces. And finally, we choose the last one. Could be a front hub. And we choose 1.